Looking for some creative and profitable business ideas? In this video, I'm going to show you 9 top business ideas that you can start with little or no money. So whether you are just starting out or you are looking for a new venture, be sure to watch this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video for more great content like this. Now let's dive in. Number 1. Sell products on eBay, Etsy or Amazon. There are a few things you need to do in order to start selling products on eBay, Etsy or Amazon. First, you will need to create an account with the platform of your choice and register as a seller. Next, you will need to create a listing for your products. This includes adding photos, a description, and pricing information. Finally, you will need to ship the product to the buyer once it's been purchased. Selling products on eBay, Etsy, or Amazon can be a great way to make some extra money. Just be sure to follow the platform's guidelines and pricing guidelines so that you don't run into any problems. Number 2, provide marketing consulting to small businesses. If you are good at marketing and have some experience in the field, you could offer your services to small businesses. This could include things like developing a marketing plan, creating a social media strategy, or conducting market research. Starting a marketing consulting business can be a great way to help small businesses grow. But in order to be successful, you will need to gather information, resources, and materials. First, you will need to create a proposal outlining your services and what you can offer the business. You will also need to build a portfolio of past works to show potential clients, and be sure to network with other business owners to find potential clients. Finally, make sure you stay up to date on the latest marketing trends so that you can offer the best advice possible. Number 3, start a pet sitting business. If you love animals, starting a pet sitting business could be a great option. This business involves taking care of pets while their owners are away. This could include feeding and watering them, walking them, and giving them medication if necessary. To start a pet sitting business, you will need to create a website or online profile listing your services. You will also need to have liability insurance and be able to provide references for past clients. And be sure to network with other pet owners in your area to find clients. Number 4, offer freelance services such as writing, design, or programming. If you are good at writing, design, or programming, you could offer your services as a freelancer. This involves providing your services for a fee to clients who need them. To get started, you will need to create a portfolio of your work to show potential clients. You will also need to set up an online payment system so that clients can pay you for your services. And be sure to network with other freelancers in your area to find clients. There are a number of online platforms that freelancers can use to find work. These platforms include websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, as well as social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. These online platforms allow freelancers to connect with potential clients, showcase their work, and bid on jobs. They also provide a number of tools and resources for freelancers, such as job boards, training courses, and networking opportunities. So if you are looking for work as a freelancer, be sure to check out these online platforms. They can help you connect with potential clients and get your career off the ground. 5. Participate in paid focus groups and surveys. If you are looking for some extra cash, participating in paid focus groups and surveys could be a great option. These groups and surveys are conducted by researchers who are looking for feedback on products, services, or ideas. To participate in these groups or surveys, you will need to sign up with a reputable survey site or panel company. Once you are registered, you will be able to see which studies are available in your area. Then simply sign up for the ones that interest you and start earning cash. There are a number of reputable paid focus groups and surveys that you can participate in to make some extra cash. Some of these groups and surveys include the following: Nielsen TV ratings, Ipsos IC, Toroluna, Arispo, and Pinecone Research. Number 6, be a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support remotely via the internet. This could include things like handling emails, scheduling appointments, or creating documents. To become a virtual assistant, you will need some administrative skills and experience working with computers. You will also need to have access to a reliable internet connection and a computer with the necessary software. Once you are set up, you can start looking for clients online or join an established virtual assistant agency. Some of the best virtual assistant agencies include the Virtual Assistant, VA Networking, iWorker, OnlineJobs.ph. Being a virtual assistant is a great way to work remotely and help businesses get things done without having to invest in an office space or hire additional employees. Number 7, manage social media for businesses. Businesses know that social media is a powerful tool for reaching new customers and building relationships with current ones. However, managing social media can be time-consuming and daunting task. That's where a social media manager comes in. A social media manager is responsible for developing and implementing a social media strategy for their clients. They also manage the day-to-day activities of the company's social media accounts. If you are interested in becoming a social media manager, there are a few things you will need to know. First, you will need to develop a strong understanding of how social media works and the different platforms available. You will also need to have experience managing multiple accounts simultaneously. And lastly, you will need to be able to write creative content that engages users and promotes your client's business. If you have the skills and experience required, then consider being a social media manager. It's a great way to use your skills to help businesses grow their online presence. 8. Rent out your extra room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your house, you can rent it out on Airbnb. Airbnb is a website that connects people who need a place to stay with people who need to rent out extra space. To rent out your room on Airbnb, you will need to create a listing on the Airbnb website. This will include information about your room, such as the size, amenities, and price. You will also need to take some photos of your room to include in the listing. Once your listing is complete, you would need to wait for someone to book your room. Once someone does, you will need to prepare the room for their stay and greet them when they arrive. You will also need to be available to answer any questions they have during their stay. Renting out your extra room on Airbnb is a great way to make some extra money and help someone find a place to stay. Number 9, start a blog or online magazine. Starting a blog or online magazine can be a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Not only that, but it can also be a great way to make some money. But before you can start blogging or publishing articles, there are a few things you will need to do. First, you will need to come up with a name for your blog or magazine. This name will help people remember what it is and what it's about. You will also need to come up with a tagline or slogan that captures the essence of your blog or magazine. Next, you will need to create a logo and design scheme for your blog or magazine. The logo and design scheme will give your blog or magazine identity and help it stand out from the competition. Finally, you will need to create some content for your blog or magazine. This content could be anything from articles, essays, interviews, and so on. Once you've created some content, you will need to find someone to publish it. There are a number of websites and magazines that accept submissions from freelance writers. Some of these websites and magazines include the Huffington Post, Salon, and BuzzFeed. So there you have it, 9 business ideas that you can start with little or no money. If you're interested in learning more about starting your own business, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be releasing new videos regularly that will help teach you everything you need to know about starting and running your own business. Thanks for watching.